Hi, this is Martin. Martin is an owner of startup and wants a copy of collaboration agreement to expand its business in abroad. So, Martin started looking around for a legal attorney, but prices are very high. After searching, Martin finds Bijan Corp on Fiverr, and that's me. I am a corporate attorney and expert in drafting and preparing of legal agreements. My agreements are beyond the expectations and have many satisfied customers. John ordered my gig, and in a few days his business expand by signing a collaboration agreement with its partner. It doesn't matter whether you required a collaboration agreement, employment agreement, non-disclosure policy, joint venture agreement, consultancy agreement or advertising agreement, whatever, allow my expertise to draft a legal and binding agreement in the best way possible. In this crowded world, it is necessary to keep an eye while signing an agreement, but my advisory make you secure, so get in touch today to enjoy tomorrow's success exclusively on Fiverr.